No, it's recommending I do. It says that her little bubble is green on Facebook Messenger, so it suggests you contact those people because they're on right now. I watch some videos. There's all kinds of videos. Oh. Hey Cortana. You're not that. What am I have too many robots now. I don't remember their names. Portal. Stop playing music. Portal. Hey Portal, stop. Hey Portal. Stop music. Hey Portal. Stop playing the music. Alexa. Stop playing the music. I have to use its built-in Alexa to control the music. Cancel.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Cancel. Unbelievable. So you can't even use its own commands to do anything. I'm just going to look at pictures of my burritos. Alright, I think I'm going to call it.